Hey everyone, Brian Tsukiji here, and I wanted to say that I'm really excited to let you guys know about the enrollment for 30 Days of Sushi. The online course specifically made as a step-by-step system to teach you guys how to make restaurant quality sushi at home. I just wanted to jump in front of the camera real quick and let you know that I am so excited to actually be telling you guys all about this project because I've been working on it for the past 4 years. But now for the next part, I'm going to jump behind my laptop so that I can make sure that I show you guys the slides and cover all of the juicy details of my new online course.
Now that I'm behind my laptop, I wanted to share with you a quick history of this project. Secrets of Sushi has always been a passion project of mine. It's never made a lot of money. I don't have a team of people helping me. It's always just been me. And it's certainly not my full-time job. But with my 30th birthday coming up next week, I realized that it needs to be. This is what I'm passionate about. This is my life's dream. This project is my first attempt at creating a product that I can sell to the masses. My goal is to teach sushi to 10,000 people across the world. But it can't be salesy. It can't be a bunch of hype and little to no value. It has to be genuine, beneficial, and results driven. When I first started this project 4 years ago, I was extremely worried about what's known as imposter syndrome, or the thought that I wasn't good enough or not qualified enough to teach people how to roll sushi. But over the past 3 years, I have tested my teaching methods and successfully taught over 240 people how to roll sushi on their first try, which is nothing short of amazing. So this year, I've worked my butt off to complete this project and share with you my best tips, my most treasured secrets, and my finest teaching abilities. So without further ado, let's dive into 30 Days of Sushi. Please keep in mind that nothing that I've shared with you in my 3-part video series is theory or quote-unquote might work. This is exactly what I've taught in all of my live sushi classes to help hundreds of people make restaurant quality sushi. It doesn't matter if you've never made sushi before or if you've been doing it for years. It's all about the little details done in the right order that make a huge difference. Here are just some of the benefits that you will see from 30 Days of Sushi. You'll have sushi that rivals the quality that you would expect from a restaurant, the ability to impress your family and friends at the next dinner party, the agility to make sushi for your whole family, the knowledge to save money on equipment and ingredients, the confidence to take on new sushi recipes, and the motivation that comes from getting great results in the kitchen. So I'm not sure why you showed up here today. It could be that you've been making sushi for a while, but you're frustrated that it doesn't taste quite right. It could be that you've never rolled sushi before and you want to make sure that you're off on the right foot. It could be that you want to learn as much about sushi as you can so that you can make it for your family and friends. Or it might be that you want to save money and eat healthier at the same time. If there's one thing to take away from this video, it is this. I've created a proven system for making restaurant quality sushi at home. It is very much a replicable system that you can apply at home, as proven by all of my students. There's no magic. This is something that you can do too. You can save a lot of time, learn quickly, and save money by not eating at a sushi restaurant as much. You can make sushi for fun occasions. One of my personal favorites is what's known as Friendsgiving, where you take all of your Thanksgiving leftovers over to your friend's house. But every year, I've actually brought sushi over to my friend's house, and it's always been a big hit. And you can eat delicious food while you do it. So what's not to love about that? So the obvious question is, how can you apply this system for making restaurant quality sushi at home? Well, you have two choices. You can do it slow, using trial and error, spending hours and hours researching online and using some of what I've shared in my 3-part video series. Or you can do it quickly and use my 6-module online course, 30 Days of Sushi. At the end of the day, my Sushi Online Course is really about getting you results in a fast and safe way. As one of my favorite entrepreneur mentors once said, if you want to be successful, find someone who has achieved the results that you want and copy what they do. You'll achieve the same results. This is a quote by Tony Robbins. If your goal is to make restaurant quality sushi at home, this is the system that will help you achieve those results. You can go out on your own and spend years and years figuring it out. But I've already done all that work for you. When I first started secretsofsushi.com, I was honestly looking for more tips while training as a sushi chef. But I realized there's a lot of contradicting information out there. They claim they've been doing it for 20 years and that they know exactly how it should be done. Whereas another person may say they've been doing it for 10 years and insist that science dictates that it should be done a different way. So who do you listen to? Well, I've done a lot of the research, I've done a lot of the science, and I've found the best ways for me personally to do it, as well as hundreds of other people. So if you want the fast track, the shortcut, the speedy results, that's why I made this course. What is 30 Days of Sushi? It's my complete step-by-step online course designed to guide you from beginning to end through the process of creating restaurant quality sushi at home. It's the absolute fastest way to get sushi that looks as good as it tastes. It's a 6-module step-by-step digital online course that walks you through each module. You'll get 24/7 access, lifetime support, and free updates forever. In addition to everything that you're going to get in this course, I also created a private Facebook group so that you guys can have a community of students going along with you to help give you feedback, inspiration, and answer any questions that you might have. I will also be jumping in the group to do the same. So let's do a quick module overview so that you guys can get a clear idea of what to expect inside my course. Module number 1 is all about making sushi rice. Sushi rice is unarguably the most important aspect of sushi, and in this module, you'll learn how to wash and cook sushi rice, make and store su, and season and cool your rice. In Module 2, I'll talk about the importance of setting up your rolling station. I'll cover how to set up your rolling station, why each item is important, and how the right setup can increase your efficiency. In Module 3, I'll talk to you about knife techniques. I'll cover Western knives versus sushi knives, proper knife techniques, and how to use those proper techniques to slice vegetables for sushi. In Module 4, I'm going to cover how to prepare your seafood. I'll talk specifically about preparing fish, crab, and scallops, how to slice fish for sashimi and nigiri, and how to make ebi shrimp, or butterfly shrimp. Module 5 covers the different styles of sushi. In this module, you'll learn how to roll a futomaki, hosomaki, and uramaki. And don't worry, I'll describe the differences of all 3 in the course. I'll also cover how to make nigiri and gunkan-maki, and I'll cover how to keep your nori crisp and your rolls tight. In Module 6, I'll cover some of the more advanced techniques regarding sushi, including how to use fish on top of your rolls, how to tempura fry shrimp, and the different ways to slice sashimi. Next, I wanted to share a couple of testimonials from some students of my live sushi classes. This testimonial comes from Ray Lujan. Ray says, "Last year, my wife bought me an intro sushi class with Brian, and I have to say, it was amazing. Brian took his time teaching everyone in the class tips, tricks, and techniques on how to obtain a restaurant-like sushi in the privacy of your own home. The first time I used my teachings from Brian's, it was a huge success. And now my friends and family often ask me, when is sushi night? Haha. I can't wait to take more classes with Brian to expand my knowledge on fancier sushi rolls with that flavor that makes your brain go clicky click." Here's another testimonial from Dan Garcia. "I watch a lot of instructional sushi videos, and his videos and website instructions are freely clear and easy to follow. I signed up for his email tips, which come once in a while. You don't get bombarded. Great info in the email, plus he will actually write back to you answering any questions you have. Brian is just excellent." And here's one more testimonial from Lynn Jones. "Brian is an excellent instructor. My husband and I have taken both the beginner class and the intermediate class. The class was completely hands-on, with instruction given from how to prepare the rice to slicing the fish properly. We have since held sushi parties at home with our friends and family." So here's the question that I'm sure everyone's asking themselves right now. How much will it cost me? Well, you could spend hundreds of dollars on private lessons, but once your lessons are over, you won't have access to that information if you forget it in the future. You could spend thousands of dollars on culinary school or at the Sushi Chef Institute. But how much will you be paying? Not $52,920, which is the 2014 average cost of culinary school in the US. Not $6,600, which is the cost of tuition at the Sushi Chef Institute in California. But you'll get the entire system for one payment of $497 or 3 payments of $197, meaning you can get started today for just $197. And you get the whole freaking thing. Every module, every bonus, right away. Here are the 3 bonuses that will be included in the course. The first one is the course guide. It's a downloadable PDF to help guide you through the course, give you a step-by-step plan, and help alleviate the feeling of overwhelm. The second bonus is the meal planner. This downloadable and printable PDF will list all of the essential ingredients, optional ingredients, and provide the recommended process for making sushi, which steps to do first, second, third, etc., so that you can save time while making sushi at home. The third bonus is actually a dedicated page within the course itself, and that's going to cover the equipment that you will need. This page will list my personal recommendations on which pieces of equipment you should use. It will be categorized by item in a good, better, best fashion, and there will be links and prices included with each item so you can be sure you're getting the right equipment. My online course also comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. I've taken a lot of pride in being able to offer this sushi course to you, and with it, a lot of value. It's designed to get you rolling restaurant quality sushi as quickly and painlessly as possible, and I stand behind my course so much that I named it after my money back guarantee. So if you're not completely satisfied with your experience, I will refund your money with no questions asked. I've tried to make this online course as risk-free as possible. Also, I have a special offer for people that purchase the VIP package. So for all of my students who buy the VIP package for $497, they will be given one entry for a chance to win my very own personal sushi knife, valued at $350. The course is only available for purchase for 5 days. At the end of the 5 days, one lucky student's name will be randomly drawn using a random number generator as the winner. Once the winner's been drawn after the cart closes for the online course, I'll be personally reaching out to the winner so that I can get the shipping information to send you my very own knife. This knife has some extra sentimental value to me because I've been using it for the past 3 years in all of my YouTube videos and all of my live classes. The knife is still in pristine condition, and I'll be sure to make sure it has a razor sharp edge before it's sent to you. Another fun layer of sentiment for the knife itself is that I bought it at the famous Tsukiji Fish Market in Tokyo, Japan when I was there visiting last. So this knife comes from the heart of the sushi industry in Tokyo. The entire premise of this course is to take action, and it all starts by taking action today. As a quick recap, the course includes 6 action-packed modules, which is 25 videos, plus more updated videos in the future, 3 bonuses, lifetime access and free updates, a 30-day money-back guarantee, and for the VIP package students, you'll get an entry into my sushi knife giveaway. So here's what to do below. If you scroll down this page, there's going to be a section that has a purple background, and you'll see 2 packages to purchase the course. There's the one-time payment of $497, and this is the option that will get you the entry into the sushi knife giveaway. Or I've built an installment plan so that instead of paying the $497 up front, you can pay 3 payments of $197. But you don't get access to the sushi knife giveaway. After you've pushed one of the green buttons at the bottom of either of the 2 packages, you'll see a pop-up where you can enter in your credit card information. Here you want to enter in your legal first and last name, as well as a billing email address. Then you can also enter in your credit card details, expiration dates, and the CVC on the back of the card. This information is all kept secure with an SSL certificate, so you can be sure that all of your personal information is safe. Next, you'll set up an account to access my course. Here you can create your username, put in your first and last name, and your email address, as well as create a secure password. This information might seem redundant from the pop-up, but the pop-up was for the credit card payment information, and this is for the online course. So this is for me to be able to tell who you are. Once you've registered, you'll be redirected to the dashboard of the online course. So here you can see the course introduction video, which is that nice platter of sashimi that's kind of being cut off at the bottom of the screen. And at the top right-hand corner of the screen, you'll notice that there's a menu bar where you can access your modules, your bonuses, and the private Facebook group. And keep in mind, it all starts by taking action. The course is only going to be sold for 5 consecutive days. And at the end of the 5 days, I'm going to close the cart, and the course won't be available until I launch it again later this year or in the future. But keep in mind, as the course develops and I update the course with new videos with more bonus content, the price is going to slowly start to go up. So if you want to get the lowest price, you should act quickly. And remember, you don't have to buy the course to learn how to make restaurant quality sushi at home. You can do it slowly by spending several hours researching online and going with a trial and error kind of system to figure out what works and what doesn't. Or you can go the fast route and use my 6-module 30 Days of Sushi online course plus all the cool bonuses. Thank you guys for watching, and I look forward to seeing you inside.